Hello, this is Larry at LarryRicker.com, and I'm going to show you in this video how to install an ice machine or swap out an ice machine that is no longer working in your ice maker in your Whirlpool refrigerator. If you like this video, click on the like button below. You can check out my apps in the Apple App Store. They include Project Organizer, Project Organizer Pro, Job Hunt Pro, Student Organizer Pro, Class Organizer Pro, and Opportunity Organizer Pro.
Here.
That's cheating.
Oh, come on. You have to install this the right way.
Well, first step, take out the old one. Hey, what are you guys doing in my freezer? Oh, just chilling? Okay, that's cool. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take out this ice maker and put in a new one. Bracket off here. And the way that works is you take a 1/4 inch socket, probably a 1/4 inch drive, and lefty-loosey, loosen that up, take that out, a little screw, and then this cover flips up this way, comes up over the top and around and back and comes out of the way. There'll be 4 more screws here in the bottom, and they are located right here. And there'll be 2 on the other side right over here. Carefully collect all your screws. You'll need a flat-headed screwdriver, and there's a little notch right in the bottom. You just push up on that, pull gently on one side, then go to the other side. There's a notch on the other side. Actually, it's more of a tab thing. You might be able to push that up with your finger or with a screwdriver. And you pull back on that side. Then you have it loose. Then you can pull the whole unit out, straight out. Now, you'll have a door in the way, so you want to flip the hinge to the side on that, and it just releases under a little bit of pressure, not much. Pops out. Then you're free to move you want to flip the tab on the side and then pull the thing directly towards you. And that pretty much Hey, hey. This other here. The original ice maker did not have this bail wire here, but upon further research, it wasn't covered in documentation, but this bail wire needs to be down in order for this spot here to be twisted in a way that it engages the ice maker and allows it to make ice. And as you can see here, we have lots of ice.